Let's get an overview of operators in Python. As any programming language, Python supports all types of operations. There are several categories of operators. For now, we will cover arithmetic and comparison operators. These are the commonly used arithmetic operators in Python: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, it is also called as hyphen, asterisk or star for multiplication, forward slash for division, percentage for mod, which returns remainder by dividing one number with another. When it comes to plus, it is also overloaded for concatenation of strings. So if you use plus with two strings, typically it concatenates those two strings. Other arithmetic operators also can be used for some specialized functionality with respect to strings similar to plus, but plus is most commonly used one. Here are the comparison operators that are supported by Python. There are a few more, but these are the most commonly used ones. Typically, all these comparison operators return Boolean value. It can be either true or false. Double equal for equals, exclamation mark and equal for not equals, not for negation. It is not exclamation mark, it is actually not to get the negation, and we have to use not before the expression. This is bracket for greater than, this one for less than. This is the approach where we can get greater than or equals to. This is for less than or equals to. All these returns Boolean value. It will return true if the condition satisfies, otherwise it returns false. We can also leverage comparison operators as part of Boolean operations such as Boolean OR and Boolean AND. We will look into examples at a later point in time. Also, when it comes to arithmetic operations, as in most of the other programming languages, Python also follows BODMAS rules, which means brackets will be executed first, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. BODMAS rule, which is part of our high school math. If you are not familiar with BODMAS, I would highly recommend you to spend some time to understand what BODMAS is before getting into the programming with any programming language, not just Python. So this is brief overview of operators in Python. We will be seeing a lot more details as we go along with the course. Where and when they are required, we will be seeing quite a lot of examples with respect to operators in Python. Don't worry too much about live examples related to operators in Python at this time. You will be learning a lot about operators, not only in the next topic where we will be talking about data types and operators, and also during the course. As we go along the course, you will be learning quite a lot with respect to operators. We will not highlight that it is related to operator, but you will automatically learn as we see more and more realistic examples. Then you will understand more about it. So don't worry too much that I am not covering any live examples with respect to operators in Python at this time.